The Margao District and Sessions Court has sentenced convict Arjuna Kazidoni, a resident of Madel, life imprisonment in 2020 Fatorda double murder case. The background of the case is that convict Arjuna Kazidoni on 3rd February 2020 brutally assaulted Bhimsi S Gasti, resident of Khareband, and Mutanna Badiger from Gogal Housing Board, Fatorda, and also injured one Sunil Sawant, out of which Bhimsi and Mutanna died due to severe head injury. Then PI of Fatorda, Kapil Nayak, investigated this case and charge sheet was filed. Now the court has held Arjun guilty of murdering two people and has convicted him and has awarded life imprisonment.
मजगती 2009 अल्पवयीन चलयेच्या खून प्रकरणातल्या ग्रीष्मा तलवाराची निर्दोष सुटका करपाच्या पणजी चिल्ड्रन्स कोर्टाच्या निर्णयाक आव्हान दीत राज्यान उच्च न्यायालयामुखार अपील दाखल केला. तशेंच चंद्रकांत तलवार आणि सायरॉन रॉड्रिक्साची ख्यास्त जल्मठेप ते फाशी मेरेन वाडोवची अशी विनवणी राज्यान केल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.